Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will explain how to handle the content isn't available right now error on Facebook. When you encounter this message, it typically signifies that the material you want to view has been deleted or is no longer accessible. This usually occurs because the person who posted it removed the content or their account has been deactivated or blocked. To address this, first verify that the link you are using is correct and hasn't been altered. Double-check the URL for any typos or mistakes. If it is a shared link, ensure it remains unmodified. If the post was made by someone you know, consider reaching out to them. If your own content was taken down, it might be due to a violation of Facebook's community standards. Visit the Facebook Help Center to review these guidelines and see why the content was removed. If you believe this happened by mistake, you can appeal the decision through the Help Center. Also, check the privacy settings to ensure the post is visible to the intended audience, as some content is restricted to specific friends or groups. Occasionally, simply refreshing the page can fix these temporary issues.